Welcome to Soft Review. In this video, I want to introduce you to my new Chrome extension which can be used to send data to your webhook. So I have upgraded this and now we have more features. So let me walk you through all the features and how to install this on your Chrome browser. In order to start, you need to go to this URL which I'll have in the description so that you can come here and click on the Add New Chrome button. This will give you like a warning. The extension is not trusted by enhanced safe browsing, mainly because my account is new and this is a new Chrome extension. It will take some positive reviews and some time to remove this notification. If you are okay, then click on continue to install and then it will ask for some permissions so that it can work properly. Click on add extension and that will install it. You need to do is pin this. This is where you can see it. Click on this pin icon and that will pin it here. And once you have this Chrome extension, now you are ready to use it. So what are the new additions? The overall UI also has changed. Now I have made it very minimal with only the required things. First, let me go to my make.com account. Now that I have logged into my make account, this is where I can see my webhook. All I want to do is copy this webhook URL and paste it here. You can use webhook. I am showing you this as an example. And now you don't have to click on save button. Now the data is also automatically saved. That's also a new addition, and you need to name it. This we can use a YouTube test. So this is how we identify the different webhooks that's saved, because you can add multiple webhooks. As you can see, if you don't want, you can also delete it, and you can name this a key. The data is sent as a key value pair. You need to name it. You need to give it a name so that we can identify which data is sent to where. Let's give it for this example test. This is the actual name of the data that we are sending, and this is the name of the webhook that we are saving. So that's the difference. And if you want, you can also add more data manually. So if you want to send some additional data to your webhook, you can always use this. This is a new feature. You can add as many key value pairs as you want, and the data is already saved. If I minimize and open it again, as you can see, the data is there. That's the basic settings that you want. And let me go to here and let me, for example, how does this work? If all you have to do is copy paste some text on your browser, click, then you will have this context menu here, and you can click on this is what we are saved here, YT test. It's because the naming is YT test here. Let's send it and see if it's working or not. As you can see, you will have now notification here, an in-browser notification and a Chrome icon notification here, so that you will know that whether the data is being sent or not. Let me refresh it and let me look at what all details came in. As you can see, the test is our name which we gave here, the test, and the data is what we copied here. It's getting sent correctly, so that's working. Now we will test the custom data field. So this is, we can name it as test1, and again let's say YouTube test. Let me add one more, test2 and YT test2. If you want to add custom data fields, you need to use this button. This will send these data that we have entered manually. Just click on send, and as you can see, you will get a notification here that it's been sent successfully, and you can also see like a green tick here that confirms that it's being sent. So let's refresh it again to see if the data is coming here. As you can see, now we have two webhooks. So let's click on this detail, and as you can see, the data, the first one is test1, that is YT test, that is this one, and second is the test2, and this is the YT test. All the data is getting to the webhook. The next option is, if you have anything on your clipboard, you can also send that to your clipboard. Let me copy this. Okay, this is in my clipboard. If I click, as you can see, now also you have this option. This is a new feature that I have added that will enable you to send the data to your webhook from your clipboard. It can be anything. Let me copy this. Let's copy this webhook status, and as you can see, I have copied this in my clipboard right now. It's on the clipboard. And when I click and when I send this to the saved webhook, you can see free notification. You will get even system notification if system notification is enabled as. So let me see. As you can see, now the data is 3. I hope you remember what we sent. We sent the text webhook status. Let us see that whether that's been sent or not. As you can see, it's being sent to the webhook status. Since this is the name that we saved, that's why the key name is test. So it will take the default key name test. So that's how you send data to your clipboard. And for some reason, we can all delete this. And if for some reason, if this is not working and if the data is not being sent to the webhook, all you have to do is press this fix issue button, and you will see that any issues that's present will be fixed instantaneously, and Chrome extension will work as usual. These are the new features and bug fixes, and I made sure that it's working properly. And even the notification is new. You are getting notified by the system notification on the hand side, and in browser text notification and the Chrome icon notification. All these notifications you will get in order to make sure that your data is correctly being sent through. And for any reason, if it's not working, all you have to do is click on the fix issue and the issues will be solved. That's all. And the final button is buy me a coffee. This is more like a donate button. If you want to support my work, you can click here and it will take you to this page where you can support this ongoing development and support my process. I hope this was helpful. If you liked it, please don't forget to leave a review here and let me know how this is working for you. As of now, there is no review here since it's new. I hope this will improve your productivity and streamline your workflow. If it's saving you some time, and then don't forget to share positive reviews and let me know how this is working for you in comments. And thank you for watching. Have a great day.